Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Super Sparkle on Just to Impress from Barbie. So I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did adjustments on. Grab this ponytail and color it FEC698. Color this hair the same color in the animated toggle. Position the Y at 0.7, Z 0.74, scale it to 0.16. Grab this cowboy belt in 3F, 3F, 3F in silk and toggle it to the first one first, and then on the 5th or 6th toggle, color it this color. Then after you've done that, toggle to the second one, position the Y at 0.53, Z 0.45, rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.43. For the outfit, I did use a lot of VIP items, so just a heads up. Select this corset, remove bows, and color it this color, C34F89 in silk. Then silk in that same color, and then for the ruffles, do glitter in this bright gray. Color it like the lace this color. Then grab the skirt in this color in silk. Same for the buttons in silk. Then we're going to grab these, color it this color in silk as well. And then I am going to get these socks in the high stripe socks in this color in silk, and then silk again in this color. Grab these boots from the Brat collection, this one in silk for both. And then we're going to go to VIP to get a few more items. Grab these gloves in the third toggle, in this color in silk. Then we're going to get the cape in only cape light air in that same pink color in silk. Lastly, we're going to grab this mask with no feathers on and color it that same dark pink color. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.